Standing at a stove, flipping pancake after pancake, while your family is already waiting to eat. That's what making pancakes usually means, no matter what style you're making. This recipe skips the flips completely. Pour the batter into one pan, bake it once, and pull out full tray that fits everyone at the same time. Here's everything you'll need. Let's start with the egg mixture. In a bowl, combine your 2 eggs, 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Using a hand mixer, whip them together until the mixture turns pale and thick enough to hold a ribbon shape. You'll know you're there when you lift the beaters and can draw a figure 8 on the surface before it sinks back in. That thick ribbon is what gives this pancake its lift, all without a single flip on the stove. To the egg mixture, pour in your 400 milliliters or 1 2/3 cups of milk and 3 tablespoons of neutral oil. Mix it on lower speed, then sift in your 160 grams or 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix just until everything is combined. Don't worry about a few small lumps, as overmixing here is what knocks the air out. Add a pinch of salt right at the end and give it one last quick mix. You're left with a smooth, still airy batter, ready to go straight into the pan. With your batter ready, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a deep sheet pan with parchment paper and give it a light coat of neutral oil. Pour in your batter and spread it out evenly. Place the pan in the oven on the middle rack and bake for approximately 20 minutes until the top turns deep golden brown. Make sure you bake it without the fan setting. While that bakes, we can prepare our toppings or go relax a little. No flipping, no standing at the stove. Once it's baked and out of the oven, transfer the baked pancake onto a cutting board. Add your toppings. I'm using Nutella drizzled over and a dusting of powdered sugar, but fresh fruit works well too. Cut it into squares or whatever shape you like. Alright, let's give it a taste. Look at the texture, soft and still a little warm. It's rich from the Nutella, but not heavy at all, which I think makes it perfect for a lazy weekend breakfast or even a quick dessert. If you got a topping combo you're excited to try, let me know in the comments below. What will you put on them? And if you enjoyed this recipe, give the video a like and subscribe for more. Until next time, bye bye!